In this tutorial, we will learn how to write a Python program to get smallest item from a list using function. For that, I have created a function named meannum in list, and all the logic has written inside the function definition, but it can't get executed until the function is called. So we have to wait till the function is called. The actual execution of the program will start at line 10, this print function, and in next print function I have called the function. So the Python interpreter will go to the function definition as soon as it see the function has called, and the statements inside the function will be executed from top to bottom, one at a time, one after another. So here I have created a variable named meannum and assigned it value, the first element of the list. And in for loop, we are comparing every element of list to the value of the mean number. If the value of the list element is less than the value of the mean num, then our next mean num will become that element which is less value compared to mean num. So this is how all the list will get compared, and at last the function returns the minimum smallest value from the list. And here we have calling the function in print statement, so the smallest number will get printed on the terminal. This is how this program works. Let's run it and see what happens. So 3 is the right value and smallest value among all these values. So this program is working properly. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.